she's fine too, but I want you.
It's Nyla who? It's Nyla what? It's Nyla who? It's Nyla who? Jada. It's Nyla who? Jada. And it's a new month. It's April 1st. Happy 1st of the month. You guys, if you're new here, hey, what's up? Hello. Have you been here? Hey, boo. How are you? Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe because good vibes here all the time, baby. Y'all, it's the 1st of the month. Rent is due, but we need to get ourselves together. The way March just tumbled away, I kind of got a lot going on, but it's all good. I had some stuff to deal with at the end of March, but today I was able to come home on time, and now it's time to get things done. So first thing first, what we need to do is the kitchen. Let me show y'all what my kitchen's looking like. Looking like who did it and what, y'all? Who did it and what? Fine, y'all. I gotta do the dishes. I gotta wash clothes. I have to clean up the cat litter. Take out trash. Like, I have so much to do, and people don't understand the life of living on your own when nobody's here and you are responsible for every single thing. But if you know me, then you know. Miss Independent. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Oh, she coming. Spend a little time. You feel me? Miss Independent over here. So I do what I gotta do. Okay. But I'm tired. But I still gotta do. So let's get some music on. And let's clean wash these dishes. Well, technically, I'm not washing them. The dishwasher's gonna wash them. But I got dishes in the dishwasher that I gotta put away. Yeah, y'all. I haven't been lazy. I've just been busy. But let's get the pink kitchen back in order. Let's do that now.
Make it so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and we'll fall into us. I'm the perfect mix of Saturday night and the rest of your life. Anyone with a heart would agree. It's so easy to fall in love. The way I do my hair, the way I make you laugh, the way we like to share. Oh, I'm such a part. I could be fresh air, I'll be the girl of your dreams.
right, hopefully I don't get copyrighted. Okay. All right, y'all, we are in the laundry room. I just want to show y'all the detergent that I use. I put this on clothes too. My man got this for like stains and stuff, because when I wear white, child, over. So I got Downy. Downy just smells so good to me. Like, oh, the high that I get with clothes that smell good. But this is what we're going to use. I got a heavy load today, and these gotta get re-dried because they have like that sour smell. So yeah. Let me know in the comments, when y'all wash clothes, do y'all be fancy and putting it in the cap, or do y'all just pour in? Sometimes I put in the cap, sometimes I just pour in. If I can eat this. Oh my god, it smells so good. Alright, let's pour. Y'all know when I'm in the bathroom, I'm mostly cleaning this cat poop. This is the reality of being a cat mommy. And my girl cat, she's so stubborn. Like, she will literally poop outside of the litter if it's not clean. Literally. It just stink. I need to go back to Walmart and get some more plastic bags. Make sure there's no hole in this one. Do I clean my cat's poop every day? No. I don't. I do not. And I'm not mad about it. Cat stuff is expensive. Like, child. Very expensive. Their food, their litter, everything. This is my vanity right now. I use my vanity every single day, y'all. Literally, every single day. But let's get this nice and clean. Alright, vanity clean. Now let's clean the room. I don't think I showed y'all. I didn't even give y'all a house tour yet. Because I want to give y'all a house tour when everything is finalized and done. But y'all been seeing pieces. The thing with curly hair, it gets stuck. But let's fold these clothes, honey. I got my watch on. Cause like since I'm moving a lot, I count this as like a little workout. Cause I'm like moving full body. Alright, y'all. We folded these clothes. Now we gotta put them away. Woo, man.